In today's video, I'm going to explain what an object is inside of Salesforce CRM. First, what is an object in Salesforce? An object in Salesforce is similar to a table in a database that stores information. For example, if lead is an object, it acts like a table that stores lead related data. When I open the lead object, I can see multiple records and fields. This entire structure is what we call an object in Salesforce. In Salesforce, there are two types of objects, standard objects and custom objects. Standard objects are provided by Salesforce by default. Examples include accounts, contacts, leads, and opportunity. These objects are commonly used across most businesses. Custom objects, on the other hand, are created based on business-specific requirements. When the standard objects are not sufficient to store custom data, we create our own objects, which are called custom objects. Every object contains field. In Salesforce, fields are similar to columns and the data stored inside them are called records, which are similar to rows. Together, objects, fields, and records form the core data structure in Salesforce. Now, let's understand this with a real-time example. My requirement is to create a payment object. In this payment object, I need the following fields: receipt number, account name, mode of payment, date, received amount, and approved status. To create this object, first go to Setup. From Setup, navigate to Object Manager. On the left side, you will see a Create button. Click on it and you will see two options, Custom Object and Custom Object from Spreadsheet. Since we are creating a new object, select Custom Object. A new window opens where you need to provide the object details. Give the label as payment and the plural label as payments. The object name will be auto-generated. Providing a description is an optional. Next, under optional features, enable the required options. Allow reports, allow activities, track field history, allow chatter. These options are important because without reports, you cannot create reports for this object. Without activities, tasks and events won't be visible. Field history tracking helps track changes. Also, enable allow search and select add notes and attachments to related lists so files and notes can be added to records. Next, select launch new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object. This is important because if you don't create a tab, the object will not appear in the navigation menu. Then click Save. Now, the custom tab wizard opens automatically. Select an icon for the tab. I will choose a star icon for now and proceed with the default visibility settings. Click Next and then Save. At this point, both the object and tab are created successfully. Now, let's add fields to the payment object. By default, Salesforce creates a payment name field, but instead of a name, I want a receipt number. So, I edit the standard name field and change it to receipt number. I select the auto number data type so that Salesforce automatically generates a unique receipt number for each record. I set the starting number as 1 and save it. Next, I need an account name field. Since this should be linked to the account object, I select lookup relationship. Choose account